Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of oscillating tools with the Dremel MM50-01 Multi-Max Oscillating DIY Toolkit. This tool is hailed as the best Herramienta Oscilante available in the market, and we're going to find out why. The Dremel MM50-01 features a robust design with low vibration operation, giving you better control for precise and clean cuts. It boasts a compact head that is 30% smaller than its predecessor, allowing you to access tight and hard-to-reach spaces. The angled body design enhances ergonomics, especially during flush cuts. Equipped with a powerful 5.0 amp motor, the Dremel MM50-01 delivers pro-level performance for tough jobs, like cutting door jambs, trim, baseboards, and more. The tool-less blade change system makes accessory changes a breeze. Simply twist the knob, push it down, and insert the accessory without needing an Allen wrench. With variable speeds from 10,000 to 21,000 OPM, you have optimal control when working with a variety of materials. The kit includes 30 accessories, such as bi-metal cutting blades for wood and metal, wood and drywall cutting blades, and sanding pads for wood. All these come neatly organized in a storage bag. In conclusion, the Dremel MM50-01 Multi-Max Oscillating DIY Toolkit is a versatile and powerful tool that makes quick work of various projects. Its compact design, powerful motor, and tool-less accessory change system set it apart from the rest. If you're looking for a top-notch oscillating tool, the Dremel MM50-01 is the way to go. That's it for today's video on the Dremel MM50-01 Multi-Max Oscillating DIY Toolkit. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.